This is my attempt to make the fireplace flat with joint compound. I made some hot mud, which is the 20-minute mud. I put some primer on the existing tile, and then I'm going to fill in these grooves with the joint compound and smooth it out and let it dry, and then paint this whole fireplace black. So this is what the joint compound looks like in between the grooves of the tile. And now I'm going to go over it with some white paint, not black paint. I'll probably do 2 to 3 coats and try to get a after video. This is the finished product. I did not smooth out the joint compound right here enough before painting, but overall it was an easy makeover for the fireplace to get rid of that pinkish brown color.